Get off the sidelines and take control of your financial future at www.tackletrading.com. Get in the game.
Matt Justice here for Tackle Trading to continue our indicator discussion, this time on stochastics. Stochastics is very similar to all the other indicators. It is a oscillating indicator between 0 and 100. When you look at your stochastics, similar to RSI, you basically have two major levels on stochastics. You have the oversold zone, which is underneath 20, the overbought zone, which is above 80 here. Now, George Lane, who created stochastics, basically said that in an entire range, on an entire trend, it goes from 0 to 100. Well, in terms of that, we're willing to give up 20% of the bottom, and we're willing to give up 20% of the top, which is your 80 and your 20 zone on stochastics, and that's where you're going to basically buy and sell. And so, looking at stochastics here, as you can see, stochastics come down, 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 down. It starts getting oversold into the under 80 mark, crosses back up, and it both crosses the 20 barrier number one, and then it crosses the pink line number two. That's a double whammy buy signal. Now, when you see that hook, very similar to MACD, you see the hook and the cross, that's your buy signal. It's not just the hook on stochastics, it is the hook and the cross. So it hooks and it crosses on your above your 20 barrier. That's a buy signal. Then as stochastic goes up, 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 it's going to get oversold up above 80. You're going to see that hook and the cross there as well. So let's just look at recently here. Let's look at the technical analysis behind it. You have a breakout right into this range. Okay, so this is all some degree of neutrality. You have a breakout right into this range above the 114 level. Well, let's look at stochastic, see what kind of buy signal that gave us. Well, you see how it it hooks back, going back up. That is a buy signal between 20 and 80 as well. So that's one of them. So if you get a hook anywhere between 20 and 80 going up, that's a buy signal. Now it gets up, 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 tries to cross, doesn't, ultimately crosses right there at the very top, 133.6. That is a sell signal when it crosses underneath the pink line, and then when it ultimately crosses underneath the 80 barrier right there, that is a sell signal right there. So you are looking at a buy signal anywhere from 114, 115, 116. You're looking at a sell signal anywhere from 133 to 127. Any way you want to shape it, that is a fantastic confirmation. Now it comes down, 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 and that's where we're currently at right here. And I did a video on Apple calling for a little bit of a buying opportunity right in there. I put half my position size on. Now look at the signal you got on stochastics here. You got the hook and the cross. Wouldn't be shocking if it ultimately did not get into the 120 marker, because you got your slowing momentum at 121. Hooks and crosses confirms with stochastics, confirms on the trend, looks like a good retracement, is a good retracement, and stochastics can help us understand that overvalued versus undervalued. Overvalued is anything that is above 80. Undervalued is underneath 20. When you get the hook and the cross on the pink line, that red line over the pink line, that is your sell signal, that is your buy signal. When you get the red line crosses underneath the 80 barrier, that's a sell. When it crosses above the 80, that is a buy signal. And then in between your 20 and 80, anytime it hooks going back up, that is a buy signal. Anytime it hooks coming down, that is a sell signal. Although the ones between 20 and 80 are not as strong as the ones above 80 and below 20. Hope you enjoyed the indicator list for stochastics. We use it as a longer term scenario. Also, we look at it from a short term perspective, from an overvalued versus undervalued perspective. Apple is undervalued, hooking back up. That is a buy signal. Hope you enjoyed it. Matt Justice for Tackle Trading. Check us over there at www.tackletrading.com.